Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a good morning. I just woke up myself. It is now 6:43 a.m. I'm an early riser. Gotta get this day started early so you can get working. So I came out here to bring you this site called Highest Paid GPT. It's a get paid to site, and you get paid to do various tasks, watch videos, take surveys, paid to click, and you get paid to refer people. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the offer walls that they have here. They have Peanut Labs. Personally, Opinion Capital, Radium One, Minute Staff, Your Surveys, Research for Good, Super Reward, Ads and Media, Tap Research, Revenue Wall, Payment Wall, Wall Ads, AdGate, Theorem Reach, Precision Sample. Now what I do on here is Minute Staff and Tap Research and Theorem Reach. And there are pay to click on here as well. I would have to find it, but I believe there are paid to click on here. Okay, so basically what you do is you come on here. This is what I do, you guys. I do minute staff is really good because all you're doing is viewing the page, letting it load, and then exiting out. So I'm going to show you how to work that right now. So here's minute staff. And just a note, you guys cannot use this site. Some of these sites you cannot go. You log on to them from a website. A library, because it's a Voxy or proxy server, and you will get banned, or they will put you on as cheater or something. You need to be signing into these sites from your own personal internet connection from your house, from either your own home. Okay, so remember that you cannot log into these sites from a library or any other, like a Starbucks. It has to be your own personal internet connection from home. Just keep that in mind, because I did it before and it marked me down as cheater, and I don't want that happening to you guys. So it gives you, I believe, 6 points here. This is 65 cents. I don't know if it'll give you that, but I believe it's just 6 points because, yeah, I believe it's just 6 points. So what you do is you click on it, and you see the text in blue here where it says paid to click or whatever it says. It's going to be a blue text. You click on that and let the page load. That's all you do. All you do is just let the page load and then exit out of it. You exit out of it. You exit out of it, and hold on, you guys. Hold on one second. Hold on. Sorry about that, you guys. Back to the video. So basically, you click on that, and what you do is you refresh the page here. And there you go. So I have 9.58 points. So you will not be able to convert your points unless you have 10 points over here. It has to say like 10 cents, I'm guessing. So in order for you to convert your points to cash, I believe it says you have to be able to at least convert 10 cents, which, that is something I kind of don't like. I want to be able to convert all my points, but that's just how this site works, okay? So keep in mind that you cannot convert your points unless it's 10 cents. Sorry, it has to be 10 cents. 10 points is equivalent to 10 cents, I believe. So just remember that. And if you have 100 points, it's $1. So what I'm going to do is go to 11 cents so I can get to. I'm probably going to go higher because I like to complete all the surveys that I do. Like tap research, I want to kind of do all of them. Like that's just me. So I'm going to show you again. You click on this. Click on the blue text. And let it load. You don't have to watch the video. That's just the website they're taking you to. So you can do that. Just stay on it for a second. Stay on the website for a second. And what you do is exit out. You exit out. And again, this is Minute Staff. Okay, you find Minute Staff over here on Offer Walls. You click on the Offer Walls tab and you just scroll down to Minute Staff and it'll take you here. Okay, that's Minute Staff. I'm not going to show you guys tap research. I mean, I can show it to you, but I'm not going to do any surveys. I don't feel comfortable doing surveys like, in front of people. So, so it seems like it's giving me 7 cents. So, and I believe with the tap research, you get like 2 points. So this gives you so if I do tap research, this should go up to 11 points. And if I keep going higher and higher and higher, this was a really low amount when I came back on here to do it again. It was like 5 points, I believe. So, yeah. But remember, you cannot convert your points if it's not 10 points. Okay? If it doesn't say 10 points in here, you can't convert it. That's the only thing I see on here that would be an issue. You cannot log into this website from the library. Okay? Same thing with superpay.me. You cannot log into the site from a library internet connection because it's not a personal internet connection. You have to log into these type of sites from your house, from your own personal internet. Keep that in mind, please, because if you guys sign in, you're gonna get your account probably. It's gonna mark you down as cheater, and you have to go in and explain to them that you didn't know, because I didn't know. Because I like to work my sites wherever I'm at. Like if I'm at at work, I like to work. At my job, I have internet connection. It's a personal internet connection at my job where I work at. So I don't have to worry about this getting turned off. But I personally like doing it from my home because I'm at home a lot and I like working from home anyway. So it's safer. You can avoid all the issues if you just do this from a personal internet connection. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to take you over here to Tap Research. You get 2 points per survey, and it's disqualification points, and you will every now and again you'll be able to complete a survey and get the actual points for it. But most of the time, you don't have the right demographics, and they will disqualify you, but you will get disqualification points. Okay, so that's Tap Research. Theorem Reach, same thing. Is a lot like Tap Research. You disqualify, you get disqualification points. Okay, so that's how it works. Those are the 3 things I do on here. You guys can do whichever routine you like. So that's it for Highest Paid GPT. So these are the sites I'm going to be using to make money on, and I'll be making payment-proof videos. But if you guys are interested in making even more money, like I'm talking $100 up to $1,000, I would like for you to visit my new YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link below, and visit my website. I made a video yesterday on my new website. Okay, so that's basically it. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel with the notification bell so you can be notified when I make a new video. Take care, you guys.